Are you looking for a way to detail and convey better to the lab what you and your patient are looking for when it comes to contour, shape, all the details that go into your patient's new smile? Here at ROE Dental Lab, we have a variety of different services that can help you and your patient when designing their new smile. Currently out now, we have our Art of Smile Design book. This book goes over all the contours from mesial to distal, centrals, laterals, you name it, and it flips through a variety of different shapes, molds, you name it, when it comes to picking out what's going to be the best for you and your patient. One of my personal favorites, towards the back of the book, we have a QR code that'll take you to 3D models you can pull up a rendering of for you and your patient to look at, because we know smiles don't always look the same from the side as they do straight on, so it's nice to be able to preview the different contours from those angles. This book can be used in reference to crown and bridge cases, veneer cases, implant crown cases, or if you're using us for our smile design services, trial smile, you name it, any of our crown and bridge design services, you can utilize this book for, as well as full arch. If you'd like to download this book, it's available now on our website for free. You can check it out by clicking the link here. Thanks again for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe to our videos to check out more of the latest and greatest updates we have available for you and your patients.